Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to make a 3D oval in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make a 3D oval in this document. Go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu. Then we can see here many shapes. We find and select the oval shape. Then draw these shapes on our page. Then click the shape and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Effect and choose 3D rotation or apply bevel and apply some presets. Now I apply these presets and you can change this shape fill color or outline color. Click the shape fill drop down menu and choose any color. Now I select the color. You can change this shape outline color. Click shape outline drop down menu and choose any color. And you can apply some shadows or reflections. Now we can see here we make a 3D oval very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.